Hi friends, this is Kumar again from Arts Method Spoon. Hope you are enjoying my dishes. Please send me your comments so that I can, if it is not good, you can tell me so I can improve it next time. And today I'm here with a dish, dry, that is a soya chunks pepper fry. Okay, hope you will enjoy it. Thank you very much. Anybody is there to subscribe, please do so, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will get the notification. So let us see what are the ingredients required for this soya chunk pepper fry. I have taken here around 200 grams of soya chunks, which is put it boiled water around 20 minutes, and cut it, because I got the big one, big size, so I cut it half. Then I got here the main ingredients of this one. This is black pepper. I got here turmeric powder, garam masala powder, and I got 1 cup of cabbage and some curry leaves, 4 green chilli sliced, and 1 cup of coconut cut into small pieces. Got here which masala, we'll be using this one, then red chilli powder and coriander powder, salt as per taste, and asafetida and coconut oil. Okay. So let us start. So, on the fire, okay, going to add around 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil will give more taste to this dish. More oil will give more taste. That's fine. Okay. Oil is hot now. I'm going to add the cabbage out here. Okay. Now I'm going to put pinch of asphalt right here. Okay. And half teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. Yeah, in this place I'm going to add some curry leaves. Okay, mix it well. And I will be closing this for, I put the lid for 2 minutes so it will cook fast. Okay. Here I am going to add the soya over here. Okay. Mix it well. Let it get dry. I'm going to add the green chilli also here. Around 4 green chilli slice. It should get dry. Okay. I washed this 3 to 4 times in the after boiling it, 4 times, so that all the water, the smell will go. Otherwise, there is a smell of the soya, so the smell will go. Then I squeeze the water before cutting into small pieces. Okay, good. Let it fry for some time. Going to add some more coconut oil to this. Okay. Yeah. Mix it well. Let it fry. I'm going to add salt now. Remember, we already add half spoon of salt. The balance I will add now. Okay. Salt as per taste. And I'm going to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Okay. And say, because we already add green chili, so I'll be adding around 3/4 of red chili powder. Okay. And 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Okay. And then comes the main ingredient, the black pepper powder. I am going to add 2 spoons. Okay. And I got here vegetable masala. I'm going to add half teaspoon. And garam masala again half teaspoon. Okay. Let us give a good mix to it. Okay. This dish I have put coconut pieces also for you.
This I have before ate.
Yeah.
And it's so yummy.
Is it? So try now.
Like my husband.
Yeah, try now. Try now and okay?
I'm gonna eat the dish and I'm gonna tell what is the taste.
Okay.
I'll take the fork.
Okay, up to you. You can use anything.
It is so nice. Did you like our before videos? I like this. It is so yummy.
Yeah.
I'll eat more.
Will you eat more?
Yes.